Here's a mistake I see traders make all the time. They build a strategy, it looks good on backtest, and they immediately throw real money at it. And then they're shocked when the results don't match. Look, I lost $68,000 trading crypto. And one of the biggest reasons was that I skipped the testing phase. I thought I understood my strategy, but I didn't. So today I'm going to show you how to use paper trading on Gainium to test any strategy without risking a single dollar. And more importantly, I'll tell you what paper trading can and can't do so you don't fall into a different kind of trap. So what is paper trading? Paper trading is simulated trading. You're using real market data, real prices, real movements, but with virtual money. No actual orders hit any exchange. Think of it like a flight simulator. A pilot doesn't jump into a 747 on day one. They practice in a simulator that mirrors real conditions. Paper trading is that simulator for your money. On Gainium, paper trading is free. Every plan includes it, even the free tier. You can run paper bots alongside your real ones, test new settings, or just learn how the platform works without any financial pressure. Setting this up takes about 30 seconds. Here's how. Step 1. Go to your account menu in the top bar. You'll see a toggle to switch between live and paper mode. Click it to switch to paper. Step 2. Now you need a paper exchange. Go to Exchanges, click Add Exchange, and select Paper Trading. Choose which exchange you want to simulate. Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, whatever you normally trade on. You can create as many paper trading exchanges as you need. Step 3. Set your virtual balance. I recommend starting with an amount you'd actually trade with in real life. If you paper trade with $1 million, but you only have 500 to invest, the results won't teach you anything useful. You have to be realistic. And that's it. Now you create bots exactly the same way you would in live mode. Same settings, same interface, same everything. The only difference is no real money moves. So, what can you paper trade? Everything. DCA bots, grid bots, combo bots, and also manual trading. You can paper trade spot and futures. And yes, this includes liquidation simulation, so you can see exactly where you'd get liquidated without actually losing your money. And if you have a strategy on TradingView, you can connect it via webhooks and paper trade it here. You also get full access to TradingView charts, indicators, and advanced metrics and reporting. So you can actually analyze your paper result properly, not just eyeball them. Now, paper trading is a great learning tool, but it has real limitations. And if you don't understand them, you'll get a nasty surprise when you go live. So let's review them. The first is no slippage. In paper trading, your orders fill at the exact price you set. In real markets, especially with larger positions or during volatile moves, you'll get slippage. Your buy might execute a fraction higher, your sell a fraction lower. Over hundreds of trades, that adds up. Limitation 2 is no emotional pressure. This is the big one. When there's no real money on the line, it's easy to be rational. You don't panic sell, you don't override your bot, you don't check your phone every 30 seconds. But when real money is involved, your brain works differently. Fear and greed are powerful forces, and paper trading cannot simulate them. Third, liquidity assumptions. Paper trading assumes your orders will always get filled. In real markets, especially on smaller pairs, there might not be enough liquidity to fill your order at your price. And fourth, it can breed overconfidence. If your paper bot runs for 2 weeks and makes 15%, you might think you've cracked it. But markets change. What works in a range-bound market might blow up in a trend. Paper success is encouraging, but it's not proof. Now let's talk about using paper trade to test a new strategy. Step 1. Automated backtest. Start by backtesting your bot configuration against historical data. Gainium has a built-in backtester. This tells you would these settings have worked in the past. It's fast. You can test months of data in seconds, and it eliminates bad ideas quickly. Step 2. Paper trade. If the backtest looks promising, run it as a paper bot in real time. This is your forward test. Now you're seeing how the strategy handles current market conditions, not just historical ones. Run it for at least a few weeks, ideally through different market conditions. Step 3. Go live small. When your paper results are consistent, go live with the smallest position size you're comfortable with. So when do you actually pull the trigger and go live? Here's my checklist. Your strategy has been paper trading for at least 2 to 4 weeks through different market conditions, not just a bull run. You understand every setting. You can explain why each parameter is set the way it is, not just that someone on YouTube said to use these numbers. Your results are consistent, not spectacular. Consistency beats a lucky streak every time. You have a risk management plan, you know your maximum drawdown, your stop loss levels, and how much capital you're willing to risk. You've accounted for the gaps, you expect slightly worse performance live due to slippage, fees, and emotions, and you're okay with that. If you can check all 5, you're ready. Start small, scale gradually, and keep a paper bot running alongside your live one. It's a great way to test new ideas without interrupting your live strategy. Now, of course, paper trading won't make you a better trader by itself, but it removes the most expensive part of learning, the part where you lose real money figuring things out. If you want to try it, head to Gainium. Paper trading is free and you can start in about 30 seconds. I'll leave the link in the description. If this was helpful, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.